reform, we can consider bringing him back to our party as a member of UDA. And
mjinga akierevuka, mrefu wako wapi? Ako mashakani.
Gatho ni undu wa gucoka President William Ruto ni ajia gwika ciiko cia kurehe Rigathi wa Gachagua hakuhi nake. Ririkana riria Gachagua augaga ati President Ruto ni watumaga andu marie on his behalf. Riu President Ruto ni atumite mundu umwe thirikari-ini yake akorwo akiariria Gachagua niguo makorwo makirutithania wira kam 2027. Mishamanio ino ya Ruto kuri Gachagua yukite o riri Kithure Kindiki uria Ruto akorirwo agithura after kuigata Gachagua thirikari-ini yake akoretwo agiukirirwo muno guku nenda-ini, nake Gachagua akionekana gwibanga na njira ironekana ta igukorwo ikihe President William Ruto wagagu wona ni guoka kuri gitama gia 2027. Do you think Gachagua ni agukorwo agitikira mushamanio uyu na President William Ruto? Mubunge Didmas Barasa niwe among atongoria aria President Ruto arahuthira gukorwo akirehe Gachagua hakuhi nake. Barasa akoretwo akira Gachagua ati kuma aume thirikari-ini ni amenyete kunyitanira na andu othe. Barasa akira Gachagua ati ni makumurehe hakuhi na mamucokie kiama-ini kiao kia UDA heading 2027 niguo ahe kana anyitanire na President Ruto in his second term.
na tayari nimeandikia barua kwa Secretary General wa UDA kwamba atoe program andike so that they can come up with a rehabilitation program so that we can rehabilitate Rigathi Gachagua, and if he will reform, we can consider bringing him back to our party as a member of UDA.
Kenya matina korwo magite mahinda kwa mukira miario iyo ya Didmas Barasa uyu akiuga they are regretting impeaching Gachagua, they are totally desperate. Na uyu akiuga there is no man more desperate on this land than Kasongo. He can feel the heat of Kenyans rejection. Ndeto iria ciakiumana na miario ino riu etumite andu metiki ati President William Ruto ni ararehe njung'wa hakuhi niguo akorwo agiokoka na Rigathi wa Gachagua uria uronekana kuoya momentum na gukorwo agibanga barabara ciake wega gisiasa. Miario yaku ni iriku egie uhoro uyu tukorwo tukiaraniria down the comment section. Make sure ni wa turn on your notification niguo hingo ciothe ugakoragwo uri wa mbere kwamukira video shito. Tushamanie na wa next one.